if you're new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to check out some of these transformation ideas. So the first one is of this gorgeous red transformation. I absolutely love this hair color. This is a very natural looking redhead. She does have her eyebrows dyed as well. Loving the pop of red lip that she has. Just an overall gorgeous kind of gingery copper tone red. And then we move into the next transformation. So this one is going to feature a haircut. Looks like she started off with kind of shoulder length hair, and the stylist is cutting the hair. I'm thinking she might be getting some type of pixie cut or bob. Yes, I'm thinking she's going to be getting a pixie cut with this because he is kind of freestyling the hair cutting as he's doing it. And usually when the stylist does that, yeah. So those are the final results. She's kind of like a mid-length bob pixie action going on. I would kind of classify this as a Bixi, best of both worlds, pixie and a bob together. And then next up, we see a color transformation. So she looks like she's going with a very bold, vibrant green with this one. This is a very unique hair color. Kind of looks like neon green. And then here we move into this pixie haircut. So she has very sharp lines with this one. Look at those sideburns. So she's also getting bangs. Wow, this is stunning. Very cute, very edgy pixie cut. Does have a bit of flair with it just by the way he was cutting it. And then the next transformation looks like she is cutting her hair into a bob of some sort. Ooh, I love that hair color. That's such a very pretty reddish kind of brown tone to it. She did end up getting some highlights as well. This is a gorgeous hair shade. Kind of looks like a coppery blonde tone that she has going on here. It's giving me like that chunky highlight vibe. And she did cut the hair into a bob. This is gorgeous. Very pretty. Perfect for 2022, just mixing it up with a fresh color and bob style. Very cute, very fun look overall. Love this transformation. So next up, looks like the client is getting some blonde and black hair coloring added. So they are using microlinks in order to do this. She also looks like she's getting kind of like that chunky highlight look with this. Very pretty. The contrast of the blonde and the black is gorgeous. Kind of looks like the blonde almost looks like peekaboo color. Very cute. And then next up we see kind of like a bob undercut. Wow, this is gorgeous. I love that blonde color. Very unique, very bright. And then getting into the next one, this one is going to feature an undercut. She does have a tattoo at the bottom of the hair that really kind of makes the undercut pop even further. She's also getting color, so she got green and red. Very unique hair color and style. So the next one, she starts off with very long hair. We see a bunch of color being draped on the hair. Wow. This is a very interesting color. It's like blonde, like a brownish blonde. I don't know, it's weird. And so next up we see another haircut transformation. So it looks like she is getting a very edgy kind of Bixi with this, bob and a pixie haircut. Elements of both. She has a pop of highlight in the front. Very cute haircut overall. And then giving into our next one. So she starts off with shoulder length blonde hair, stylist is coloring the hair. Whatever color she ended up getting, it's very subtle. Like you can't even tell that the stylist actually dyed the hair. But he starts cutting it. And this is the same stylist that does that very sharp edges that he likes to do. Okay, so now I can see her hair obviously appears a bit more silvery. I'm not sure I like that hair color on her. It kind of aged her a bit. Like it made her look older. All right, so next up we have another haircut transformation. So she went from very long hair almost to her waist, and the stylist cut the hair to about mid-back. But her hair looks so healthy. I like that color too. It's very unique. It's kind of a reddish brown. She probably just wanted shorter hair. It's easier to maintain than longer hair. Alright, so next transformation, the client starts off with very dark roots and blonde ends. So we already know she's getting some color. So it looks like so far she's getting a touch up of the overall color that she already had. The stylist does end up cutting the hair to about shoulder length. And then he curled it with these waves, and she has a nice little cute wavy bob going. Her roots are still dark though, so I don't know if he just kind of like lightened the roots up just a tad, because her hair was pretty like grown out. But this is a very fun, cute style for summer. Simple, simple. And then the next hair transformation, she's probably going to be getting some color too. So the stylist is using the foil to color the hair. And she also kept her roots dark. But of course, before, her ends were just grown out with the blonde. So she did get a refresh of her color. And she also got some slight waves added as well. Very cute bob haircut, simple hair change, really. Simple switch up. Alright, you guys, so I hope that you enjoyed checking out these hairstyles with me. If you did, be sure to hit that like button as well as subscribe for more hair videos.